In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to compress PDF to 2 MB with iLovePDF. First, we need to open the Compress PDF tool on iLovePDF. To do this, you can start by visiting the website at ilovepdf.com. Once the page loads, look for the Compress PDF option. This is usually prominently displayed on the homepage. When you click on this option, the tool will open in a new window. You will see a clean interface that is user-friendly. This initial step is crucial because it sets the stage for the entire process. Having the right tool accessible makes the next steps much smoother. Next, we will upload your PDF. In the Compress PDF tool, you will find a button that says Select PDF File. Click on this button. A file dialog will open, allowing you to navigate through your computer's files. Choose the PDF you want to compress and click Open. You will see the file name appear in the tool, indicating that it has been successfully uploaded. This step is vital as it ensures the document you wish to compress is ready for processing. Remember to check that you have selected the correct file before moving on. Now, we will choose a compression level. You will see 3 options: recommended compression, extreme compression, and less compression. Recommended compression offers a good balance between file size and quality, making it suitable for most uses. Extreme compression maximizes size reduction but may decrease image quality significantly. Less compression prioritizes better quality but results in less reduction in file size. Selecting the right compression level is important because it directly affects how your document will look after compression. Choose the option that best fits your needs. With your compression level selected, it is time to click Compress PDF. This button is usually located prominently within the interface. Once you click it, the tool will begin processing your PDF. You will see a loading indicator, which means the compression is in progress. This step is essential because it triggers the actual reduction of your file size. Be patient, as this may take a few moments depending on the size of your original file. Finally, we will download the compressed PDF. After the compression is complete, a download button will appear. Click on it, and the compressed PDF will start downloading to your device. You might see a notification or a prompt asking where you want to save the file. Make sure to choose a location that is easy to remember. This step is significant as it ensures you have access to your newly compressed document. Once the download is complete, you can find your PDF in the location you selected. Following these steps will allow you to efficiently compress your PDF files using iLovePDF. Each step is designed to be straightforward and user-friendly. If you follow along carefully, you will achieve a compressed PDF that meets your size requirements without losing too much quality. This process can save you a lot of time and hassle, especially when you need to share files quickly. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you with your PDF compression needs.